Welcome back, children. Hope you are ready. Take out your SS books and get ready. Put today's date there. In the last class, I gave you a list of family members and a list of your relatives. Now, go to a new page, put today's date, and we are going to write the question and answers. What are we writing? We are writing the question and answers. You will write your question and answers in a very neat and clean handwriting. Question number 1. What is a family? What is a family? What is a family? Tell me, I told you, what is a family? Answer. A family is when we stay with our parents, comma, brothers and sisters. Yes? What is a family? A family is when we stay with our parents, brothers and sisters. Yes? When we are staying with our parents, brothers and sisters, we form a family. We form a family. Right? Next. Question number 2. Which are or you can say who are called relatives. Who are called relatives. Who are called relatives? Our uncle, auntie, cousins. Yes? Grandparents are called our relatives. Our grandparents. Children, write very neatly. Touch both the lines and write. Our grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins, uncles, aunts and cousins are all our relatives. Write it, children. Who are called relatives? Our grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins are all our relatives. Yes? Are all our relatives. Then, what can you write next? What does a family provide? Provide means what? What does a family give you? Yes? What will be your answer? A family gives us care, love and security. Yes, a family gives you love, care and security. Yes? What does a family provide? A family gives us care, love and security. Yes? These are the 3 questions. Other than this, there will be some more topics or some more question answers, fill in the blanks, true or false and all, which will be uploaded in the worksheets. Now, a family tree. What is a family tree, children? A family tree is you draw a big tree. You draw a big tree. Here, grandfather, grandmother. Your grandparents and their children. Your uncle will come. Your bua will come. Means your dada dadi. I want dada dadi. उनके बच्चे means their children. Yes. फिर इनकी wife. अगर if this is your auntie, if it's your aunt, bua, not masi, only bua. Here you will put bua's husband's photo. Understood? If this is chacha, you put, otherwise you do one thing. Instead of doing this, see, this is your grandfather. Yes, this is your grandmother, dada dadi. Yes, this is your mother, this is your father, father and then mother. Father, this is your mother. Yes, then here you, your brother, your sister, जो भी है, brother, sister. आपका फोटो, आपके भाई का फोटो, आपकी बहन का फोटो. Yes, I want you to draw a family tree in your notebook. Family tree. ऐसे ड्रॉ करो एक पूरा पेज. On that family tree, first you will stick grandfather's photo, grandmother's photo. Otherwise, do one thing, children. Don't do it in your book. In the worksheet, I will give you a family tree and you only stick the photographs. Is it clear? In the worksheet, I will give you to do this. So it will be easy for you. You are very small. Okay? So, this is about the family. Family tree, I will give you printed in the worksheet and you only stick the photographs and then maintain everything properly. Okay, come on, let's go on. I hope you have written this. First question, what is a family? What is your first question? What is a family? A family is when we stay with our parents, brothers and sisters. A family is when we stay with our parents, brothers and sisters. Yes, or you can say when we stay with our parents, brothers and sisters, we are called a family. Okay? Either way around you can say it. So what is a family? A family is when we stay with our parents, brothers and sisters. Got it? Next, who are called relatives? Who are your relatives? Our grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins are all our relatives. Okay? Our grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins are all our relatives. Now see children, when I told you about relatives, I told you grandparents, dada dadi, nana nani, all are included in that. Uncles means your father's brother, mother's brother, and they are also included in that. Okay, in uncles. And your aunt's husband is also included in one topic, uncle. Aunts also same day and cousins also same day. So even if it looks small, it is big. So who are called relatives? Our grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins are all our relatives. They are all called as our relatives. Okay. Next, what does a family provide? Provide means give. A family gives us care. They care for us when we are sick. They look out that we get everything in time and we get everything properly. Love. Because they love you, they care for you, no? And security. As I told you, if you are staying with your family, you are safe, you feel secure. If you are left alone in a room and the lights go off, it becomes dark. You'll get scared, no? But if you are in a room and the light goes off and mummy, daddy, your brother, sister, all are there with you, will you get scared? No. So security means they are there to keep you safe. Clear? So come on, let's repeat these answers. You are going to repeat these answers after me. What is a family? A family is when we stay with our parents, brothers and sisters. Come on, say again. A family is when we stay with our parents, brothers and sisters. Yes, that is your family. In your family, you have your parents, brothers and sisters. Who are called relatives? Who are your relatives? Our grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins are all our relatives. Who are called relatives? Our grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins are all our relatives. Say it again, children. Our grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins are all our relatives. Okay? So these people are our relatives. Even if they don't stay with us, even if they are staying far away during some function, during your birthday or any other function, family function, they all come together. Yes, they are all your relatives. Why do they come together? Because they are all related to each other. What does a family provide? What does a family provide? A family gives us care, love and security. A family gives us care, love and security. Understood? Once again, a family gives us care, love and security. Some spellings in the answers which we need to learn so that we write the answers without mistakes. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Repeat. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Again. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Next, S-T-A-Y, stay. S-T-A-Y, stay. S-T-A-Y, stay. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Say children. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Brothers. B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S, brothers. B-R-O-T-H-E-R-S, brothers. S-I-S-T-E-R-S, sisters. S-I-S-T-E-R-S, sisters. S-I-S-T-E-R-S, sisters. Relatives. Okay, we don't go to the question. Grandparents. G-R-A-N-D-P-A-R-E-N-T-S, grandparents. Again, G-R-A-N-D-P-A-R-E-N-T-S, grandparents. G-R-A-N-D-P-A-R-E-N-T-S, grandparents. I hope you are saying it, children. If you don't know the spellings, you will not be able to write the answers. So you have to know these spellings. G-R-A-N-D-P-A-R-E-N-T-S, grandparents. Uncles. U-N-C-L-E-S, uncles. U-N-C-L-E-S, uncles. U-N-C-L-E-S, uncles. A-U-N-T-S, aunts. A-U-N-T-S, aunts. A-U-N-T-S, aunts. C-O-U-S-I-N-S, cousins. C-O-U-S-I-N-S, cousins. C-O-U-S-I-N-S, cousins. Relatives. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S, relatives. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S, relatives. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S, relatives. Done? Provide. This is a new word for you. Provide. P-R-O-V-I-D-E, provide. P-R-O-V-I-D-E, provide. P-R-O-V-I-D-E, provide. Care. C-A-R-E, care. C-A-R-E, care. C-A-R-E, care. L-O-V-E, love. Don't say love. It is not love. It is love. L-O-V-E, love. L-O-V-E, love. L-O-V-E, love. This again is a new word, security. S-E-C-U-R-I-T-Y, security. S-E-C-U-R-I-T-Y, security. S-E-C-U-R-I-T-Y, security. Understood, children? Let's read each answer one time again. What is a family? A family is when we stay with our parents, brothers and sisters, who are called relatives. Our grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins are all our relatives. What does a family provide? A family gives us care, love and security. Yes, so this is all in the lesson family. In the very first class, what did we learn? We learned about how to write your name. Yes, about yourself. Yes, we learned about myself. Yourself, your name, how old you are. Yes, in the second, we learned about our body parts, different parts of the body, how they help us. Yes, and now we learned about the family members that we stay with. Is it understood, children? In the next lesson, in the next part when we are going to see how we can help each other. I told you, what does a family provide? Family gives us care, love and security. How? What do I mean by saying the family gives you care, love and security? As I told you earlier, what does mummy do for you? What does mummy do? Mummy cooks good food for you. What does mummy do? Mummy cooks good food for you. Mummy gets you ready to school. She sees that everything, all what you need is kept in place properly. Yes, she provides you with all the love she can. Then what does daddy do? Daddy goes to office. He earns money so that you can go to school. He can pay your school fees. He can buy books for you, buy clothes, buy toys for you. Right? Then what do? You go to school. Now because of corona pandemic, you are sitting at home. So you are not coming to school, but you are sitting at home and studying. What do? I'll say you study. You play. Yes? Then is this all? Only this much is to be done by each person? No. When you help each other in many different ways, and when you try to give your best to the other. Like, suppose now in this lockdown, all of you were sitting at home. Yes, 3 months we were all tied up in the house. At that time what? We've seen, even daddies started cooking. They wanted to give mummy a holiday. So daddy was cooking, mummy was doing some other work. Children were helping mummy and daddy to do the things. So they were all helping each other. They are all helping each other. Mummy, daddy help you to study well. Right? So even it is your duty to help your parents. You can help your parents in many different ways. You can help your mummy by folding your own clothes, keeping your shoes, socks properly on the rack. Yes, keeping your toys in place, keeping your books in place, and you can do all that. Yes, it is easy for you. But that will ease mummy's workload. Mummy will be more easy in finishing all her other work. Yes, you can help daddy in arranging his books, in arranging his things. Yes, in giving him what he wants. So all that can be done to help daddy. You can help your daddy and mummy by carrying the bags. Yes, when you go shopping, You can help them to carry the bags. You can help mummy to pick up something heavy that she cannot pick. You can help her to pick it up and keep it somewhere. Yes, so you all can help each other. You can help mummy and daddy in gardening also. If you have a garden, if you have pots in the house, and you can help mummy and daddy by going and watering the pots, it will become less work for them. Yes, but it will become a time pass for you. So you can help them in this way. Then when you fall sick, mummy, daddy takes care of you. They give you medicines on time. They take you to the doctor. They be by your bedside whenever you need them. In the same way, if mummy or daddy is not feeling well, you should take care of them. You should try to be by themselves. Mummy's head is paining. Give mummy's head a little massage. After doing so much of work, mummy's hands are paining. Give a little massage to the hands. Give a little massage to the back. Daddy is coming tired from office. Massage his legs. In this way, you can show your love and your affection to your other family members. Is it clear, children? So, you can, even if you have pets in your house, you can take care of your pets also. So, this is how we can be a happy family. This is being a family. This is about being a family. How you should be in a family. Should not be selfish. If you have something, you should learn to share it with your family. You should learn to help your family in all possible ways. Yes, whatever you can. You keep your things in place, mummy's workload will be less because she doesn't have to go and pick up your things and put them in place. Clear? So love, affection and security are the three things that you get in the family and you get them in this way. Is it clear, children? So in the next class, when we meet again, we will discuss more about being a family. Till then, study these answers, study all the spellings that are difficult for you and stay safe. And as I told you, help your parents and be good children. Thank you.